Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Mario and today we're looking at dead car batteries. So my wife left to drop my daughter off at school this morning and she ran in and said, my car won't start. So I went out and I dropped off my daughter myself, and I pulled out of the box my battery jumper box that I bought probably close to a year ago, but it was still sealed in the box. So I figured, what a perfect opportunity. And the only problem was it needed to be charged, which took several hours. But let's see how things go. This is the NOCO Genius Boost Plus GB40. You notice the marketing hype up top there, 12 volts at 1000 amps. Yeah, marketing hype. It's no more than 200. There have been tests done on this, but I got this on a Black Friday deal, I think, and it's still in the box. Shame on me. Basically, you charge it up. You can use this to actually charge your phone. It's got some USB ports on it. It's got a little carry case. I think it's goof proof. If you connect it backwards, it's going to yell at you. But let's unbox this and see where it goes. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. I'm not set up to record anything today, so I'm just kind of pulling things out as I go. Pretty box, right? Again, GB40 Boost Plus. And again, they say 1000 amps, and that's just marketing hype. It's not happening. They have bigger units that will truly do that, but they're probably rated at 1000, like 4000 amps or something. So let's see. Where is the opening of this box? Looks like it might be a 4 seams here. This looks like it's set up for retail packaging. It's got one of those hanging loops. Let's slide it out. That's a big boy. It's got some good weight to it. I carry a battery pack in my work bag, to charge my phone. This is it's an Anker 20,000 milliamp hour, I believe. This is bigger all around, but let's take a look at this. This looks like the jack for the jumper plugs. There you go. It's keyed, so you can't put it in wrong. Looks like it's got a flashlight, which is nice. 2 flashlights, right here and here. And on the back side, these are well sealed. It's got micro USB here, and here it's got regular USB. So one of these, I assume this is to charge the device itself, and this is to power a USB device. I'm making that assumption. Close this back up. And again, nice small package, easily fit in your glove box. Let's take this off. This is just basically warning you need to fully charge this, which I'm going to have to do before I use it. Very pretty, and this is for a flashlight. I don't even know if the batteries are good. See, 25% charge. Okay, let's put this down. Let's look at the accessories. Pull the top off. Okay, so we have a USB charging cable, or actually it could be used to charge it or use the device. Looks like it's about 6 feet. And you got these nice clamps. They're actually pretty good. One thing I'm looking at here, some of the old charging cables that you have, you can squeeze them and you pull out these little extensions that make it easier for side posts or something like that. That's not on here, but the cable quality feels pretty good. Here's that key plug. It also has a little water/dust cover on it. Not bad. A little charger, nice to have that. It's only a single port charger. Fortunate they didn't make it a dual port, but it is what it is. And they do include a carry bag. Very pretty. Alright, I'm going to stick this on the charger, and then we're going to go see if we can start my wife's car with it. So this is charging right now. As you can see, it's at least 50% charged. It's working on 70% charged. As mentioned, it's got 2 LEDs in the front, and I think it's okay to test the LEDs, but I want you to see the functions. Okay, and for the light modes, press once, it's high. Again, medium. Again, low. Press it again, and it blinks 3 times and off. That's good to put on the hood of your car turn backwards. Make sure you don't get rear-ended at night. And if you press it again, it goes off. But I want to show you one other mode I found. So let's go back to the blinky mode. If you press it twice quick, hey, see, if you press it quick twice, it flashes one side a couple of times, the other side a couple of times, and then it'll flash both. The other battery's completely dead, so I can't even unlock the door. Or, yeah, there's no dashboard activity, nothing. Alright, so that means I can't even step in to push that back. So, let's pop the hood. Well, never popped this before. Where is the prop rod? Oh, let me guess, it's on the top. Yep, that's what they did. Yeah, the batteries seem pretty solid. The terminals on there. So give me that first. We will put red on red. That looks pretty solid. Black on black. Make sure that's good contact. We got our Genius Boost. It's keyed. So, turn it this way. Okay. Now, I'm going to press the power button. Now the white light came on for the boost, so that's a good sign. That means the battery's not completely dead. They say sometimes you have to wait up to 30 seconds. I can hear the clicking. Alright. Let's see if this thing wants to start. Light came on in the dashboard. That's a good sign. Let's see if we'll start it up. Oh yeah! It is started. It did its job. What do we have on the... We have 11,000 miles. Alright, we're gonna turn off the heat and everything. I'm just gonna go up there. Don't touch anything. Okay, I'm gonna power this off. We didn't have to use this boost button here or bypass. It's now shut off. Unplug this. It did its job. Battery wasn't completely dead, and it's only a 2.5 liter, so that's good. Unplug the cables. The cap back on. Prep rod. Never seen one go on the hood. That's new for me. Now we're going to leave the car running for a while. I have your keys. My position. Pull into the driveway. And I'm doing that so that we can leave it running with the battery charge. So, alright. We're good. Off to the dealer to see if it's a battery problem or a charger, an alternator problem, or a bad ground problem somewhere. So in the end, everything worked out great. The only thing I can add is, you know, if you buy it, take it out of the box, test it, make sure it works. And luckily everything worked out okay. The only thing is we brought it to the dealer after because it's only got less than 12,000 miles. It's 2017, so everything's covered under warranty. They could not find a problem. It was just one of those things, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and hit that little notification bell so you know when I'm putting out a new video. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. No air fryer today, folks.